See students, last video we saw how the variable can be declared, how multiple values can be assigned together simultaneously in multiple variables, and how the calculation can be done instantly, how the calculation can update the variable. All this we saw, and how multiple values simultaneously can be defined, can be assigned to multiple variables, that also we saw. Fine. So now I am showing you how multiple values can be updated simultaneously. So for showing that, I am declaring some variable here. For example, a equal to 5, b equal to 6, and c equal to 1. I just took the variables like this. Now simultaneously I want to update them. Okay. So how can we do that? We can do a comma b comma c equal to a, suppose we'll update with 2, means we'll increment by 2, fine, a plus 2, and b is getting deducted by 2, and c is getting multiplied with 4, fine. So this is how I want to update them, fine. It means a plus 2, a, the previous value is what, 5 plus 2, 7. So now the new value of a will be 7. b minus 2, so b minus 2, b the previous value is 6, 6 minus 2, 4, so 4 will get stored in b. Same way c is 1, present value, now I am multiplying with 4, so it will become 4, so 4 will be the updated value of c. Let's check, it's done, I think so. So let's check, print a comma b comma c. So according to us the value should be 7 and 4 and 4, isn't it? So let's check. Understood students? So how can, this is an important step again, which never allows in other programming languages. Here what we did, we had 3 variables before, fine, and all together I just updated them. Updated means what? The previous value will get removed and the new value will get stored in that place. This is not instant updation, this is updation permanently. So now the present value of a, b, c is 744, and how it becomes 744, that all of I explained from here, fine. So we can, not only we can print them together, we can calculate them together also, we can update their value also together, fine students. So this is how the things can be done. And suppose you don't want to change for all, you want to do the changes for few in the sense you want to change for c as well as thereafter b. So you can write like this, c comma b equal to c multiplied by or you can do c plus b, c plus c also you can do, not a problem. So what is the present value of c now? 4. So 4 plus 4 is what? 8. So 8 will be the new value of c, fine. Same way for b I want to give, suppose c plus a we are having before, and c is at present what, after it get calculated, so that value will get added with what, a is what, 7. So check what will be the new value, you check, a comma b comma c. So we didn't change anything for a here, so a should be 7 and b and c should get changed. So check, how come it is 11, let me explain. So b the sorry, first we are this is b, so b we are calculating with what, c plus a. So c the present value is what students, c the present value is what, c the present value is what here, c plus c. So 4 plus 4 means 8, so c the present value is 8. 8 plus here what, a, 8 plus what, a. So 8 plus a means 8 plus 7. No, it is not calculating like this. See, here we wrote c comma b, so c plus c in the sense c plus c is 4 plus 4, 8. So it didn't get stored still yet. So this is 4 actually, this is 4 and this is what, 7. A is 7 and c is what, 4. So 7 plus 4 is 11. Okay, so who get updated with 11? Who get updated with 11? B get updated with 11. That's why the B value is 11 here. Fine. Now let's discuss about C. C plus C. C plus C is what? 4 plus 4 is 8. So printing C will print 8. Understood? And A though we are not changing only here. A we didn't change here. So this is how not only simultaneously we can store the values, but also simultaneously we can calculate them, as well as we can change their order as well, because they are variables. We can define them according to our wish and all. Fine, students. Then next, dynamic type. You see how dynamically we can use the variables, as Python variables does not specify any data type before. So you can write x equal to 23. Now you just print the value of x. Later on you can write x equal to suppose say software. Now you print the value of x. So this is what the dynamically type it has, because just now it was working with integer and just now it is working with software means string. Fine. So now the present value of x become software, that is a string type of. So it means because of it does not have any particular data type of, that's why we can change its type ever we wish. So it need not to be, you can check just like this, just I taught you in last video. You can check it was integer before, but at present it is string, so that's why it is showing string simply. And the string variable, one more thing I forget to say you, string variable not only can be declared with single quote, but also we can declare it with double quote, students. See, I am declaring with double quote. I can do that also. I will say the difference later on, but just check. Fine. With double quote also, with triple quote also we can use. We will learn it in later in a different video. Okay. So this is how the thing can be done. Now suppose we want to input a value. Means it should like C, C++ we used to use printf and scanf, all these. So in this case, how can I input a value? Suppose I am writing in a equal to input, enter a number. We used to write like this na, in C, C++. Printf and scanf we are using, C++ we are using cout, cin. So this is how. See, it's asking the number, we can input. So now print the value of a. Fine. So it is printing the value as 34, as at present we provided the value of a as 34. So this is how the value can be inserted to it. Fine. You can give anything like age, you can enter string, you can enter float like this. Later on you can check the type. Suppose for example, let's check the s equal to input, enter your name. Fine. Name I am giving let's say suppose Rasmi. It's not accepting, yeah, double quote I forget to, sorry, single quote I forget to give, students. So s equal to input, I am trying again, check please, enter your name. Okay. So here what I need to do, I need to specify okay, I need to specify the quote. Fine. Then print, I can print s. Not only that, I can know the type of it. Okay, understood? This is how the thing can be inputted in Python. And the variable type also we can know ever we wish. Variable type we wish to change, ever we can change. Fine.